We've tried quite a few mattresses. We've just gone, we might as well go all out and get really comfortable. We had a 3 fold out mattress. We like that one. It's just that it took up a lot of space in our garage, and like if we wanted to be able to use the back seats and put them up, it just took up quite a bit of the boot space. So we have landed on this one, the Lost Horizons. It's just been really great, and you can sort of let it up or down how you want it, and we just find it comfortable with the 2 of us. So I'll set it up for you.